Kortni, the skincare specialist here at the Iconic Style, and for this month's test, I tried out the Acne Facial Cleanser from Badescu. This product, I got it for $15, I'm pretty sure, at Ulta, but you can get it for $11.25, I believe, off of Amazon as well. My personal experience with this product was not a good one. The first day I used it, I realized that my skin felt drier, but I also took that as a positive because it was so oily before using it. So I kept on using it for a month and my skin just kept getting drier and drier to the point where it was becoming more sensitive to other things. And it was breaking out more than it had even before I started using it. So after really looking at the ingredient list, it had isopropyl alcohol as one of its main ingredients, which is meant for drying, and I guess if you're trying to disinfect your face, that'd be cool, but you're not. You're really trying to clean it, and that's probably not the best thing to put on your face if you're really trying to just clean it and make sure that like your acne or your oiliness is decreased. That's probably more for cleaning cuts and things like that. I've tried other products from Badescu, like his mist, his facial mist, and also his masks, and I really do like those. I feel like they're much more gentle, but that product in particular I just don't really like, and I wouldn't really recommend it. So I would give it a 4 out of 10. I guess if you had oily skin that also wasn't sensitive, then it would probably be a better product because oily skin is probably more reactive anyway, then that's probably not even a good idea to try to use it if you have it anyway. I'd definitely go for another cleanser just containing salicylic acid without alcohol at all, but I mean, you can go ahead and use it if you want to, just not my personal preference. But that was my review on the Badescu Acne Facial Cleanser, and we'll see you next month for the test.